What's up, people? Welcome back to another fitness video. This time I'm gonna go over, teach you guys how to make protein ice cream. So I'm at work right now, and I'm gonna share with my boss and my coworkers. So we're just gonna celebrate Christmas, and also people talking about like, well, when you're on a diet or a shredded stage, like you can't eat any sweets or something. Yeah, you can eat. We eat donuts, we eat ice cream. So doesn't matter. At the end of the day, it's just calories in, calories out. Other than that, I'm going to show you guys how to prepare for this ice cream. You guys can make it anytime you want to. So courtesy of the Coach Greg. So other than that, it's very simple version. This time I'm just going to make low calorie version. But if you want to swap out, like, this is more like for people who want to, lose weight and stuff. But if you can eat tons of calories and stuff, like you can replace the regular milk, put regular sugars and yogurt as well. So nonetheless, let's go over it. So we're just having first thing first. Let's put some strawberries in there, and let's do it. Because you can actually do a different type of fruits if you want to. So we just choose to do strawberry, or you don't have to do any fruits. Yeah, you can also do many different types of stuff. So yeah, other than that, I have 3 scoops of casein protein. So you can use any kind of protein you want, but nonetheless, just pour it in. That's why it's called protein ice cream. And want to make sure you got protein in there. This is so much protein, you probably don't even need it because we're serving like 3 people, therefore I'm gonna use all of them. And the next thing, the Xantha gum, which I don't have the thing right now, but I can pull it up when I'm editing it. But you really need this ingredient because in order to make the ice cream thick, and it's like very, very like creamy, like actual ice cream texture, so you just gotta usually just put like half teaspoon, but if you want to put more, you can put a full teaspoon in. And other than that, any type of milk you want. So I'm just gonna put a bunch of milk in here. We're not gonna put too much of ice this time because I want to eat a little bit less ice, more ice, just more, make it more creamy. And a few scoops of yogurt. I don't need to weigh these things. But normally at home I weigh it, but if you just add whatever you want to eat. But nonetheless, most of the time it comes out to be like about 300 or 400 calories. But you can get the entire blender worth of ice cream, so that's like 2 quarts basically. It is so much ice cream. And then the last thing, just add plenty of artificial sweetener. I just add Splenda since I got tons of it at work. But like I said, you can add regular sugar if you want to eat sugar. And yeah, it's not complicated. You can just buy a blender that can actually handle to grind these ice, and then just make sure that it just make sure it has to break the ice. So other than that, you can make this every day if you want to eat it. But to me, like I said, I don't need to make this every day and eat it because once I eat half of that, I don't miss eating ice cream. So therefore, preparation is almost complete. Put some ice in there. If you want more ice, put more ice. If you want less ice, just don't put too much in there. Nonetheless, we'll just see how much I need to add ice, because sometimes I can add more ice in if I feel like it. So it's pretty straightforward. And this is a very, very good ways to have low calorie. Another thing I talk about, low calorie dense food. This ice cream is so much lower than what you typically buy, like the one that's still in the fridge, the one that I showed you. It's so much more healthier too. It's just protein, pure protein, and no fat, no sugar, barely. Whatever sugar they included, it's in there. So after that, make sure you cover it. And we're ready to blend. With this amount, I probably have to blend to 3. It's gonna be loud. I might just I will turn the volume down because you guys won't be able to hear it. So I'm gonna test it out and see whether if it's done. So how do you know it's done? When you flip it over, it doesn't fall anymore, and that's how Coach Greg said you gotta test it out. If it doesn't fall over, then it's ice cream. So there you go. That's how you make it. And you can come closer. You can just show them what's in there. So yeah, it doesn't fall over. It's ice cream. If it falls over, then it's shake. It's pretty much smoothie. So that's pretty much it on how you will make this protein ice cream. Whatever ingredients you want to do, you can copy the exact same thing or you can use your own, although the xanthan gum is what makes this ice cream thick. So do not forget that ingredient. Like that's a must-have. Regardless what ingredients you use, without that thickening agent, this ice cream, it's not going to be thick enough. So it doesn't have that, you know, the texture of the actual ice cream. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Until next time.